Hey guys, Kaiju here, and today we're going to be doing another figure review, and that figure is King Silvergon. King Silvergon is a figure that I got recently along with 3 other figures, and this guy is definitely one of the more interesting ones, but we'll get into that when we get into the figure, and speaking of which, let's get into detail. Detail on King Silvergon is pretty good, and I might go as far as to say that he might be the best detailed out of the figures that I got. However, when it comes to paint, there is something that I'd have to complain about, and that is the red paint that goes along him. It is only in some parts of the body, not all. Like right here at the tail, you can see that it just stops midway and doesn't go throughout the rest. On the back, there is absolutely nothing. There's no red paint whatsoever on both sides. It only goes to about the front section. And that's really it. Other than that, the paint is actually pretty good, besides that small little error. Now, of course, let's go into articulation. Articulation on King Silvergon is pretty basic. 2 at the arms, and 2 at the legs. That's it. 4 points. Which is, enough. I would have maybe liked some head articulation, because there is a glue seal here, and it looks like it would have rotated. But I'm not sure why Bandai decided to do that. Of course, let's move him to the side for sizing. First figure I'll compare him with is another king monster, that being King Goldoros. And this is probably the biggest problem of King Silvergon. He is quite short. In reality, he should be about this height compared to King Goldoros, but no, he barely even comes up to his head. Kinda disappointing. Next, I'll compare him with another king monster, kind of. Super Alien Hipburito. And King Silvergon does not even come up to Super Alien Hipburito's head, when really he should be close to this height. I kind of somewhat blame this on Super Alien Hipburito because his figure is for some reason just massive, but still, King Silvergon should at least be a bit taller than this figure. And going on to the final figure for sizing, the original Silvergon. And again, this shows the biggest flaw with this figure, how small he is. King Silvergon should be the same height as Silvergon, if not bigger, because it's King Silvergon, not normal Silvergon. What the hell, Bandai? Why'd you make him so small? Now that we are done with all of that, my final thoughts on the figure is that it is pretty good in some areas, but it's also lacking in others. The sizing is the biggest issue with this figure by far, and there is a couple of paint issues as well. The articulation's basic, but it's not bad. There's nothing really that could have been added, maybe besides a head joint. And that's really all there is to say about King Silvergon. He's okay if you like Silvergon, as I do, but if you're just out here to collect Ultraman monsters, he is definitely one that I think that you should pass on because of a couple issues that work against him. But if you think the figure looks cool, definitely pick him up. So, that is my review on King Silvergon. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I will see you guys in a video tomorrow about one of the other 2 Kaiju figures I got.